Hi, my name is Alex Bond, and this is my signal generator and oscilloscope project. Um, so the first thing I'll show you is the different type of waves it can make. We've got sine, square, triangle, sawtooth, and DC. We can also change the amplitude here and the frequency. And we've got an offset we can change. For the square wave, there's also a knob for the duty cycle over here for the percentage. So there's 100%, then it can go down pretty far. Let's see, over here are the data readings. So we've got frequency, peak to peak, amplitude, max volts, phase, mean volts, and minimum volts. We also have three different tabs. Three different graphs. We've got the waveform, the classic waveform, and the spectrum. And so we can, over here is the save functions. So we can save, there's a knob to decide which one of the graphs you want to save at any one time. So we'll try saving a waveform. Oh, also there's a quality of the save that you can do. So this will really low quality will be really hard to read, but it'll be less memory. So we'll save a waveform at 100 for the quality, a classic waveform at 50, and a spectrum, we'll go 20. So you can see these pictures here. Here's the waveform at 100 for the quality. Here's the classic waveform at 50. And here's the spectrum at 20. You can see it starts to get worse, but the size of the images will also decrease. You can also save data to a graph if you want, like an Excel thing. And it'll save as long as the switch here is turned on, and if you turn it off, then it'll stop saving. So we also have, we can zoom in or out using the volts per division on the y-axis. So you can see up here it's changing as you change that, and we can zoom in and out on the x-axis with the milliseconds per division. There's also a filter you can turn on. There's 4 different types of Butterworth filters. There's the low pass, high pass, band pass, and band reject. So if we turn that on, we can, here's the low cutoff and the high cutoff for the filter. So we can see as we go above, the frequency is only 200 here. So as we move above that, it changes. We've got the high pass. So you can see how it changes that after it goes above 200. The band pass and band reject are the ones you need to use both the cutoffs for the filter. So you can see how the band pass is affected and the band reject. So we'll turn that off. We also have a trigger that'll basically pause it so you can look at it. This can be useful when you're trying to save a graph too. We've got cursor controls over here. So if you want to see, if you want to turn on a cursor, you just hit the cursor visible on button and you can move it around. And if you press this, you get the legend of where the cursor is. So this is cursor 0. If you slide this to the 1, you'll get the other cursor. So now you've got cursor 0 and cursor 1, so you can put these at different points and measure things based on the X and Y positions here. If you want them off, you can go off for that and then switch it to cursor 0 and it'll turn that one off as well. Let's see. So we've got a control for the line width here. You can go up to 5 and change how thick the line is, and that works on all the different graphs here. We've got something for a button for noise. So it's automatically on Gaussian noise, but there's a switch to change it to uniform noise if you want, and there's a control to change the noise amplitude. Let's see, and we've got if you want to change the color of the plot background. Let's see. I think that's it. Okay, thank you.